Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you won't miss any new videos from me. So for today, I'm gonna show you how to send a sticker on your Telegram account. So all you need to do is just open your Telegram. And just to mention, if you don't have any Telegram account yet and you want to download it in your mobile or laptop or desktop, just check out my other videos. I do have a tutorial for that one. So going back, just click the name and then you will see that circle thingy beside the message. Just click that one and you will see all the stickers. I'm just gonna use this one, and there you have it. You can send a stickers to someone, and also you can add, and yeah, you can download more stickers if you want to. Just check out. I hope this video helped you, and check out other videos, don't forget, and see you on my next video. Bye.